안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 소피아예요. 만나서 반가워요. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Sophia Sultana, and if you are new to my channel, then my channel is all about Korean culture and my lifestyle in Korea. So today I'm making this video because I want to thank the K-Influencer team, because K-Influencer team recently gave me a lot of gifts as a token of appreciation, because I am a K-Influencer and I'm connected to the K-Influencer Academy. So I will be talking about what are the gifts that they have sent me, and I will be sharing my happiness with you all. Those people who have been following me from the beginning, they have known by now that I am connected with K-Influencer team. So I am a K-Influencer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what are the gifts, what are the appreciations that I got from them. So this video is going to be a very small, cute little video. So I am very excited to share my gift with you all. Are you excited? If yes, then let's get into the video. So first read what are the souvenirs that they have sent to me. So this is a piece of paper in which they have written what are the souvenirs that they have given to me. So I will be reading it aloud. So, hello, this is K-Influencer Academy. Congratulations for being selected as an excellent participant for the Mission of June. And by the way, I was selected as one of the excellent member for the Mission of June. Along with this, I have also got $50 e-gift card on Amazon US. So I still have not used that money, but I will surely buy something from that money. So I will be sharing that email speak with you. So okay, let's get into it again. So as a token of our appreciation, we are sending you a K-Influencer souvenir. Thank you for your active activities, and we hope that you continue growing as a K-Influencer. Of course! Okay, so K-Influencer souvenir are badge using Korea.net YouTube channel design. Great. K-Influencer logo phone strap. Thank you. I recently buy a phone, so I desperately need this one. Thank you so much. And the last one is K-Influencer sling bag. Oh, thank you so much. So we hope that you will continue to work hard until the end of the year with your love for Korea and your passion for content creation. Definitely. So we hope that the COVID-19 situation will end and you will be able to visit Korea with the K-Influencer sling bag. I am also waiting for that day. We sent you and expressed the various charms of Korea firsthand. Waiting for that day to come, K-Influencer Academy will support and help you grow as a professional influencer promoting Korea. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for active participation in K-Influencer activities. So these are the things that the 2021 K-Influencer Academy has sent to me. So it's now time to show you each of the things that I've read aloud. Okay? So they have sent me 4 batches. So I will be showing you one by one. Okay? So the first batch that they give me is this Kosei's batch. I hope you can see it. Sorry for the reflection of the light, but this is how it looks. The second one is the K-Influencer logo on it. And it came in a cute love sign. Third one is from the, I think, the Korea.net streaming channel. It looks like this. I think they intentionally gave the 4 different shapes. Like this is rectangle, this is like pentagon, this is like love, last one is this circle, and this is a small batch of the K-Influencer. So I will be putting this here and go out for sure. Thank you so much, K-Influencer Academy. Now the second thing which I have got is the phone strap. Now let me open the packet and show you how it looks. Okay? So it comes into this kind of packet. and there are so many instructions like how to use it, but all these instructions are written in Korean. So I will translate it later on and we'll try to put the strap over my phone. These are the instructions written like this. So now this is that cute little strap that I have got. I hope you can see it clearly. So now it's time for the third and my most favorite gift among all this, and that is a cute little sling bag from the brand Kangol. So I think that many of you may have heard about the brand Kangol because it's a very renowned brand. It's a British brand, and this brand is known for its very premium quality bags. So the bag that I have got is from Kangol brand, and I'm very happy with it. Though it's a small one, I'm very happy with it. So now let's take a look of that bag. Dun-dun-dun! So this is the bag that I am talking about. So this is from this Kangol brand, and here over it is written the K Influencer Academy. There are like 4 spaces over here. The first one is here, then the second one is here. This is the big one. So as you are seeing, and trust me guys, the quality of the bag is very good. Okay, so inside there is another pocket over here. You can keep anything over here. Okay, in the back side also they have given a space to keep something over here. Okay, and over here also I have gotten a space. So 1 space, 2 space, back one, third one, and this is the front one, 4th one. So there are 4 spaces in this small cute sling bag, and I'm very happy with it. So now let's talk about the price. So the price of this is like 78,000 Korean won. So it's more or less like in Indian rupees, I think between 3,000 to 4,000 Indian rupees, and this amount for a sling bag is quite a lot. So this is definitely a very premium quality bag, and it has like this kind of straps. Okay, and you have to put it like this, or you can keep the bag in the back side also. So this is what I get from the K Influencer team, and also I have got like a $50 e-gift card from Amazon, as I already told. So in total they are financially helping us, and they have also given us these kinds of gifts. Maybe for you all that these appreciations, these financial aids are very minimal, but for me YouTube is not paying me at all right now. Okay, so if they are helping us to grow, it's a lot for me. So I'm very happy and very thankful to the K Influencer Academy. I will definitely try harder to make some good quality videos in my future. So this is all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed my cute little video. And if you really liked today's video, then make sure you must subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family members so that they could also enjoy my videos about Korean culture and my lifestyle in Korea. So I will be meeting with you all in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and bye! 안녕히 가세요.